Hey everybody, thanks for checking out our videos. Today we got a 2015 Audi Q7 Premium, 3.0 Quattro, one owner, 130,000 miles. We just serviced it, new oil change on it, so fresh oil change. We did motor mounts on this. We've also done a water pump on it. Drives really good. Do a quick walk around video. As you can see, the body's in really good shape. Check out the inside here. So this has backup camera, nav, Bluetooth, rear heated seats, big panel sunroof with the sunshade. Third row. You can see the interior is in really good shape. We'll go ahead and start her up. Here, see 131,000 miles. Something you might be interested in, definitely give us a shout. 228-438-2056. You can call us or text us or check out more of our inventory at www.theautoconnectllc.com. If you have an Audi, Porsche, Volkswagen, you need some repair or service work done, or you have another foreign or domestic luxury vehicle, definitely give us a shout for our repair shop. We appreciate you checking out our video. Thank you.